Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw from Ultra ARP Trading Platform. So without wasting time, let's get into it. So all I need to do is to click, when you log into your platform or when you log into the platform, you just need to go ahead and then click on Home from below. Just tap on Home. And once you do that, you'll be presented with the dashboard. So that's the dashboard. So over here, we can see the amount we have accumulated as our total balance and the total profit we've actually accumulated. So we need to make a withdrawal. So we just have to go ahead and tap on withdraw. Once you do that, you need to input here the amount you want to withdraw. You have an amount of what, 8.48. So we're just going to input here 8.48. So we type $8.48. And then it's going to be sent to our USDT BEP20 address. So let's tap on that and we select USDT BEP20. And the next thing we need to do is just tap on get code. So just tap on get OTP code. So you can see it says it has been sent to our email. So we need to go and confirm the OTP code that was sent to our email. So now let's go and confirm from our email. So we just go straight to our email and you can see this is the code that was sent to us. So all that we need to do is just copy the code that has been sent to us. So just copy that. And then you just go to the platform and then input here the code that was generated. Alright, so right after doing that, all I need to do is to go ahead and then you tap on submit. And you can see request has submitted. So our request is submitted. So we need to go ahead and wait for the withdrawal. So once the withdrawal is confirmed, I will come back and then we continue with the video. So before we go, let's just click on wallet. And once we click on wallet, and then at distance now, you can see that our profit withdrawal is shown right here. So you made a withdrawal and the withdrawal is being processed. So once it's approved, I will come back and then we continue with the video. So after waiting for some time, we've actually received our income. So let's see if the withdrawal has been received or not. So we need to go ahead and click on these three dots at the very top to confirm the status. So we just have to click on withdrawal. So we tap on withdrawal and then we click on withdrawals. And then you can see one withdrawal has been received and 10% was applied on our $8.something, and now we have received an amount of what, 7.63, and you can see the status is what, successful. And once we go into our email address, so as you can see from here, the deposit of 7.632 has been sent to our Binance account. And once you go back again to the platform, you realize that it's the same thing, 7.63 has been received over here. So basically, that is what's happened in here. So we have to go back to our Binance account to confirm this by ourselves. So we go in there and then you can see this is the deposit that was being sent to my account, 7.632. So we just tap on the deposit history and then we'll be able to confirm this is the details of the withdrawal that was actually sent to my account. So this shows that the platform or the trading platform is actually paying massively. If you haven't joined, this is the right time to join. Remember that you have to do your research on any of these platforms before you actually go in and invest. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.